Do you ever feel like your car looks fine, the windshield is fine, until the sun hits it at just that angle and you can see streaks and smudges, and suddenly it's a disaster zone? Same. But don't worry, because I've got 3 quick and easy car cleaning hacks that you can do while you're sitting in a parking lot, taking a break from driving, waiting for your groceries during curbside pickup. My name's Larissa, and on this channel we share tips and tricks for making life a little bit easier. And I am not a car person. I don't really care that much about my car. It's a Jetta, it's older. I do care about being able to see clearly out my windshield and keeping things a little dust-free, a little crumb-free. I don't want to be embarrassed if a friend gets in my car, but I'm not talking about a deep clean today. I'm talking about quick and dirty things you can do just to keep things presentable. I keep all of the things I'm using in this little container. I like that it has snappable handles. I keep this in my trunk, but I keep a lot of other crap in my trunk too. I like that these guys click the lid into place, so if it gets battered around in my trunk, all of the things that are in the kit are going to stay in the kit. First up, for the hard to reach corners in your windshield, I like this guy. I've also got one of these guys. Either one works fine. This one has a handle, so it's a little easier to get the passenger side of the car. I will say that I like having everything in one container in my trunk, and this stick does not fit in there. So my preference is to grab one of these guys, and then I sit in the passenger seat to do the passenger side of my window. I sit in the driver's seat to do the driver's side of my window, and call it a day. That can be 2 separate cleaning steps. I got both of these little cleaners at the dollar store, and they are inexpensive and really handy. I'd also like to share a de-influencing tip. Shaving cream on your windshield. People say that they buff it in and it helps to keep it fog free. It was a pain in the butt to deal with. Trying to wipe it around, it got streaky, it got everywhere. Trying to get in the corners was a mess. Then trying to wash my windows afterwards was a mess. I know a lot of people have said that this works. I've seen it all over TikTok. Didn't work for me. If I'm doing it wrong, let me know. Drop it in the comments below if you've tried it and it works for you. But seriously, just put on your defogger and you'll be fine. With this, I don't even need to use glass cleaner unless I spray stuff. If I pull my straw out of my drink and it sprays soda on my front windshield, then I might use glass cleaner. But really, we're just looking at dust on the windshield, so this works fine. Let's talk about the thin layer of dust on our dashboard. Grab a microfiber cloth, put it over top of your window cleaner, use a binder clip to fasten it down, and then you've got a handy dandy dashboard cleaner. I found that my cup holders were getting kind of gross. So what I do is I grab a Clorox disinfecting wipe, I put it around the base of a soda can, and I twist that around inside of my cup holder. It cleans it up, and then I pop a makeup sponge right in there. These guys soak up any drips, any condensation, any spills. If I go over a bump and coffee splashes out of my cup, these guys soak it up so that next time the cleanup is even easier, and it's just another way to keep your car clean and fresh. Last but not least, let's talk about crumbs. If you eat in your car like me, you know how fast it can turn into a snack graveyard. Am I right? I used to tell myself that I would bring my handheld vacuum downstairs, and if I did happen to remember to bring it, I would never remember to bring it back upstairs. There would always be a piece. One of the heads was missing when it got back upstairs, and it got very frustrating. I was lucky and I found one of the cheap mini vacuums at the dollar store. I love it so much. I got my sister one also. It stays in the car. I can charge it on a USB. It is small enough to fit into that little box, and it grabs the crumbs. It's a great tool for when I'm just sitting, waiting. The body of the vacuum, and both of the heads fit into the little box. Easy to store and easy to charge when I need it. No more running things back and forth, no more losing attachments. It's all in one place. And that's it. 3 quick, easy ways to keep your car from feeling like a total mess. I hope you'll share in the comments if you have any tips, any tricks for keeping your car cleaner. This video is part of our 3 quick cleans series where we talk about things you can do really quickly. So if you're interested in more quick cleaning tips, make sure you subscribe and stick around for more easy cleaning and organization hacks. Remember that you're not alone trying to make life a little easier, one small step at a time.